Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where the terminal will predict the current second. It will not predict, it will tell the truth. So first of all we'd like to import time, because it's about time. S equals time dot local time dot tm sec. Yep, it will tell the current second, like print current second, then we put the colon, yep, and then we put the comma, and then we write s. Yep. Next thing we like to do is write time dot sleep is 1 second, 1, and then we'd like to write print prediction colon comma, and then we'd like to open my bracket and write s plus 1, then percentage 60. So okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. Current second 57, prediction 58, current second 3, prediction 4. So okay guys, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.